Assalamualaikum guys. So today I would like to share with you guys how to name a coordination compound. So let's get started. Coordination compounds consist of a complex ion and a counter ion. A complex ion contains a central metal cation bonded to one or more molecules or ion. A complex ion can be cation, anion, or neutral molecules. Ligand is a molecule or ion having a lone electron pair that can be used to form a bond to a metal ion. The atom within a ligand bonded to the central atom or ion is what we call the donor atom. So the number of donor atoms surrounding the central atom in a complex ion is a coordination number. So ligand in coordination compounds are divided into three. First, monodentate, bidentate, and polydentate. As for monodentates, for example, we have water, ammonia, cyanide ion, fluoride ion. As for bidentate, we have oxalate ion and ethylene diamine. As for polydentate, we have triphosphate ion and diethylene triamine. So here is some of the common ligands. For anionic ligand, we have bromo, fluoro, oxo, hydroxo, and cyano. As for neutral ligand, we have aqua, amine, carbonyl, and ethylene thiamine. First, we need to always name the cation first, then an ion. Next, the total charges of the molecules must balance to zero. Then, the complex ions must be in brackets. So as you can see in the example, K2CO and H3 to Cl4. And as you can see, is the complex ion is in the bracket. How to name the coordination compounds? As I said before, we need to name the cation first, then an ion. Then, when naming the complex ion or molecules, we need to name the ligand first in alphabetical order and then follow it by the name of the metal. For an ion that ends with IDE, ITE, and ATE, we need to change the ending with an O. For example, chloride into chloro, hydroxide into hydroxo, nitrate into nitroto, and sulfate into sulfato. For neutral ligands, the common name of the molecule is used. The exception for water is an aqua, carbon monoxide we use carbonyl, ammonia we use amine. And if there is more than one monodentate ligand, the number of ligand indicated by a prefix di, tri, tetra, penta. If the ligand names is complicated, the prefix become bis, tris, tetrakis with the ligand name in parentheses. If the coordination complex is an ion, the suffix ate is added to a metal name. Following the metal names, its oxidation state is given by the Roman numeral in parentheses. After naming the ligands, we need to name the central metal. If the complex ion is an cation, the metal name same as the elements. For example, CO, cobalt, Pt, platinum. And if the complex ion is an anion, the name of the metal must end with suffix ate. For example, cobalt, CO, cobaltate, Pt, platinate. So how to name this compound? CrNH3 H2O3 Cl3. So as you can see, the complex ion is found inside the parentheses. In this case, the complex ion is a cation. The amine ligands here is named first because of the alphabetical order. Amines come before aqua. Since there are three chloride associated with one complex ion, and each chloride have a negative one charge, so the charge of the complex ion is 3. And we can see all the ligands are neutral molecules, therefore the oxidation number of chromiums must be the same as the complex ion, which is +3. So we can name it as triamine triaqua chromium 3 chloride.